If you're a salesperson, guess what your company wants you to do? They want you to sell. Do they really care if your mother is dying of cancer? No. They gave you a decent health plan and they gave you certain benefits so that to you, it seems like they're taking care of you when you have this challenge in your life. But they'll only take care of you as long as you keep selling.
Right.
If you're a program manager, the same thing applies. If you're a warehouse technician, the same thing applies. Your company does not care about you as much as you care about yourself. Their whole job is to create a benefits package and a salary package and give you the kind of quality of life in the business that makes you always second guess whether or not you should leave that job. And that restricts your freedom in a way that entrepreneurialism does not. Because when you are an entrepreneur, you have control over your life. You want to step away from the business for 7, 12, 15, 31, 85 days? You can. You want to focus on your mother in her dying weeks? You can. You want to take care of your wife in the first few months after she has a child? You can. And you don't have to ask anyone permission, right? That is the internal locus of control that you're talking about, Jeff. And that is what I have seen is life-changing about stepping away from an organization that is not serving your best interests and creating an organization that does.
Well, I'd like to thank you for saying what you just said. This message is proudly brought to you by Entre Institute, where Andrew Bustamante has just given one of the best statements I've ever heard of why people should embrace entrepreneurialism.